Hello friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Today I am going to focus on 10 zero maintenance plants which are common everywhere. So 10 zero maintenance plants, common plants which are found everywhere. So first in the list is Lucky Bamboo. So this is Lucky Bamboo, considered to be very auspicious. Now you can see it is in different variant. So I have made the bamboo in spiral shape. So next you can see, you can cut the bamboo and put it in water. This is both indoor as well as an outdoor plant. So cut it and put it in water. Next you can grow it in bottle. You can do so many things with the bamboo. So this is first in the list. Very easy to grow. You can grow anywhere. So it's very beautiful plant, very green, indoor as well as outdoor. It requires very little light. The second plant is spider plant. You can see the beautiful leaves with the stripes. So this is a zero maintenance plant. You don't require any maintenance. You water once in 2-3 days. So whenever you feel the plant is getting dry, you water once in a while. It requires fertilizer or anything once in 6 months. So absolutely zero maintenance plant. It looks very beautiful with the green and white stripes. Next we have Anthurium. So Anthurium, you see very beautiful flowers. Actually they are not flowers, they are leaves themselves. So Anthurium is a very beautiful plant. It requires very little care. Usually you don't use much of soil. Anthurium has got a soil mixture. So Anthurium requires low light. So it is a low light plant. You should never expose to direct sunlight, but it requires very little care. It is always evergreen plant. It's very beautiful with its flower like leaves. So it's a very beautiful plant. Let us come to the fourth plant in the list. This is Chinese evergreen. It is in different colors actually. So I have presented you here only 2 different types. Many different types are there. So always evergreen. It requires almost zero care. You need to fertilize it once in a year or once in 6 months. Plant remains always evergreen. With the stripes you can see is very nice. You can place it in malls. You can place it in cinema theaters. You can place it in your balcony. Requires absolutely no sun. Even indoor it grows beautifully well. Next you can see the snake plant, which is very common. It does not require any care. It is grown in the pot. It was there inside the house for almost 2 years. You see how beautiful it is. So it requires zero care, zero maintenance. Then you can see the same snake plant with the stripes, yellow stripes with the green. So another variant. It looks very beautiful. So one variant, the second variant, and the snake plant, which is smaller in size here, which is green in color. It's very beautiful. Sixth plant is ZZ plant. It is called as ZZ plant. It is commonly grown inside the house. Even in the very dark atmosphere it can grow with its beautiful green leaves. This plant is a indoor plant. You can see the green leaves. It is propagated even through leaves. Next, 7th in the list is Areca palm. So this is a beautiful evergreen Areca palm plant. It has got many variants. It can grow indoor as well as outdoor. This plant is preferred in malls, cinema theaters, in front of the house, even inside the house. But if you are placing inside the house, you have to shift once in 15 days. So this is a beautiful Areca palm plant which requires zero maintenance. You can water once in a week or once in 15 days. Eighth is wandering Jew plant. This is a beautiful plant, yeah, it shines, and this has no maintenance at all. It climbs, it's a climber. You can see, you can cut any plant and you can propagate it. So wandering Jew, wandering jack, so many names are there. Wandering Jew, walking Jew. So these are different names for this plant. So we have ninth in the list is spider lily. So you can see the spider like structure in the lilies. It's an evergreen plant. Yeah, it grows from the rhizomes. Even 12 months in a year also it gives flowers. It's a very beautiful plant which requires zero maintenance. One bulb or one rhizome if you plant means it is throughout the year it flowers. So it's a very beautiful plant. Next beautiful plant is a rubber plant here. So very beautiful plant. It can be grown indoors, outdoors. It requires no care absolutely. Yeah, it is a rubber like structure we have got. If you remove the leaves, you can find white sap coming out of it. It's toxic in nature, but a beautiful house plant. Yeah. So this is the rubber plant. Now you can see another variant of a snake plant which is beautiful, a smaller variety. So thank you for watching my channel. Continue to subscribe by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.